Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Community and Workers of Jamaica Cooperative Credit Union is making another attempt to list deferred shares on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The initial attempt was announced last year, but the regulator raised questions that the listing might be in breach of the rules governing credit unions. Andrew Laidley reports.
Credit unions are owned and controlled by their members. Therefore, listing shares publicly can change the operational structure of the cooperative. This was the fundamental concern of the Department of Cooperative Societies 1 year ago when TVJ announced its proposal to list deferred shares valued at $900 million on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. But the company argued that a deferred share is a debt instrument with no voting rights. Back then, CEO of TVJ Carlton Barclay said he expects the shares to start trading by August 2019. In fact, in June 2019, the Jamaica Stock Exchange amended its rules to allow member-based organizations to list their shares on the exchange. They included cooperatives and building societies. Nevertheless, the TVJ listing did not materialize, and the company never gave an explanation why. With the proposal back on the table, the credit union has devised a new way forward. In a release, the cooperative explained that if it were to qualify as capital, the funds would have to meet certain requirements, one of which is that no withdrawal can be done at short notice. The entity has also highlighted that in any event, the credit union's capital is not affected because it will be sold from one person to another. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Thank you, Andrew. And currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $143.93. The Canadian dollar, $106.66. The pound is going for $183.53, while the euro sold for $162.50. The JSE index lost 1,086 points today, and the junior market index is down 14 points. Among the winners, FLI 2.5%, 138 Student Living, Portland JSX, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and Everything Fresh. On the losing side were Knutsford Express Services, Berger Paints, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Lasca Manufacturing, and Proven Investments. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.